Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your money wisely. Because who needs savings, right? Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. We have two contenders battling it out in the sky. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the right, the Hiterbo drone with a 1080p camera. Let's see which one of these little buzzers deserves your hard-earned cash. Ready? Let's fly! First up, let's talk cameras. The DEERC D20 comes equipped with a 720p HD camera. Not bad for capturing your neighbor's cat from above. But let's be honest, it's like using a potato to take selfies. On the other hand, the Hiterbo drone boasts a 1080p camera. That's right, folks, it's the difference between, is that a bird or a plane? And, oh look, it's a bird with a plane ticket. Reviewers love the Hiterbo for its clear and crisp photo and video quality, whereas the DEERC D20 is seen as decent but not exceptional in this department. Next, let's talk flight time. The DEERC D20 offers up to 20 minutes of flight with its two rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to annoy your dog, cat, and maybe even a squirrel. But wait, the Hiterbo drone gives you 24 minutes of aerial antics with its two batteries. That's 4 extra minutes to perfect your "I'm not spying on you, I swear" routine. Reviewers appreciate the longer flight time of the Hiterbo, noting it gives them a bit more fun per session, while the DEERC D20 is still praised for offering a solid amount of flight time for its price. Now, ease of use. The DEERC D20 claims to be the best drone toy for kids with its one-key start, landing, and altitude hold features. It's so easy, even your grandma could use it. And trust me, my grandma is still figuring out Facebook. Meanwhile, the Hiterbo drone is perfect for both adults and kids. It's got fewer steps to fly and no manual pairing required. It's so simple, even your dog could probably figure it out. Just kidding. Don't let your dog fly a drone. Seriously. Reviewers highlight that the DEERC D20 is very user-friendly, especially for kids and beginners, while the Hiterbo is noted for its simplicity and ease of use for all ages. Special features time. The DEERC D20 has some cool tricks up its sleeve. 3D flips, waypoints fly, voice control, and gesture selfies. You can literally tell it to take off and land. Or throw up a peace sign for a selfie. It's like having your own tiny, obedient robot friend. The Hiterbo drone also brings some fun to the party with altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, speed adjustment, and voice control. Plus, you can manually adjust the camera to see what's in front or below. Perfect for inspecting hard-to-reach places. Reviewers find the special features of both drones to be fun and engaging, but particularly appreciate the Hiterbo's adjustable camera. Finally, let's talk about the price. The DEERC D20 comes in at $69. That's cheaper than a night out at a fancy restaurant, unless you eat like I do. The Hiterbo drone is a bit pricier at $79. That's $10 more, but hey, you're getting a better camera and a few extra minutes of flight time. Think of it as an investment in your future as a professional drone pilot, or at least a semi-professional Instagrammer. Reviewers generally feel that both drones offer good value for their price, with the DEERC D20 being a budget-friendly option and the Hiterbo providing slightly more for a bit more money. Reviewers generally find the DEERC D20 mini drone to be a fantastic entry-level option that is durable, easy to use, and budget-friendly. It's perfect for beginners and kids who are just getting into drone flying. Meanwhile, the Hiterbo drone with 1080p camera is praised for its superior camera quality, longer flight time, and versatile features, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC D20 mini drone and the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera. Both have their strengths and quirks, but which one is the right fit for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and spending smart. Product links are in the description.